250 apples of a box were weighed and the distribution of the masses of the apples is given in the following table. Mass here like 80 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160 and 160 to 180. And the number of apples were like 20, 60, 70, and here see they gave X and here they gave 60. So, but see total we have like 250. In the first question if you'll see, find the value of X. See, as we have the total frequency, easily we can find this missing frequency X. Now here see 20 plus 60 plus 70 plus X plus 60 equals 250. So here equals 250. So here we will get like 20 plus 60, 80, and 80 plus 70, 150 plus 60, 210. So 210 plus X. 210 plus X equals 250. So X equals 250 minus 210. So the value of X is 40. Now we need to find the mean mass of the apples. Now here mean mass of the apples is, so here mass like class here in grams, so that is 80 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160 and 160 to 180. And frequency, that is number of apples, so this frequency, that is 20, 60, 70 and X, but X value we know, that is 40, and then last one 60. So here like total frequency 250 or sigma Fi you can consider, N or sigma Fi. Now see, for mean compulsory we need to find like class marks. For mean class marks, so class marks are nothing but, see before class marks it will better if you write the value of H. Here class size is, see from down to up you subtract like 120 minus 100 which is 20. Class size is 20. Anywhere you can do 180 minus 160, 20 like that. So class marks 80 plus 100, 180, 80 plus, see we need to add this lower limit and upper limit and make it half. So 80 plus 100, 180 by 2 which is 90. 100 plus 220, 120 is 220, 220 by 2 is 110. So instead of that just you can keep on adding the H value which is 130, 150 and 170. Now see the values are big, so I'll go for like UI method. UI is like Xi minus A by H. So the formula for mean is step deviation method. I will do A plus sigma Fi UI by sigma Fi into H. So here I'll assume any one value as A. See, if I'll assume this value as A, so UI value, see you can write directly this method. Like, as the values are in ascending order like 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2. Now calculate Fi UI. So Fi and UI, so you need to multiply these two. Fi and UI. So if I'll do that, 20 into minus 2 is minus 40, 60 into minus 1 is minus 60, 70 into 0, 0, 40 into 1, 40, 60 into 2, 120. Once again I'll explain like how I got these UI values. See, UI is nothing but Xi minus A by H. Suppose if you take this value Xi 90, the first value, if you take 90, 90 minus assume value is 130 by 20. So minus 40 by 20 which is minus 2. So wherever you will assume as A, assume value, beside that just take 0, up you take minus 1, minus 2, down 1, 2, 3 if you have more values. So easily you can solve the problem if it is UIM. Now sum of FI UI, summation of FI UI, sigma FI UI value is See, 40 and minus 40 cancel. 120 minus 60 is 60. Now substitute all the values in the formula. A value is 130. Sigma Fi Ui is 60 by sigma Fi is 250 into H is 20. H value is 20. See here 0 and 0 and 25, 5 times 5, 5 times 12. So you will get here like 130 plus 12 times 2, 24. 24 by 5. So 130 plus 24 by 5 is 130 plus 24 divided by 5 is 4.8. So you'll get answer like 134.8. Second question is find the modal mass of the apple. So I need to calculate mode. So here mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So first we need to select the modal class. So here modal class is, see how to select the modal class. Out of the frequency we need to take the class which has the highest frequency. Here highest frequency is 70. So modal class is 120 to 140. So here the values will be like, you need to write, when you will select the modal class, the frequency 70 here is the frequency of the modal class. Frequency of the modal class, that is F1. Above that F0 frequency preceding the modal class, and F2 is frequency next to the modal class, and L is lower boundary. Here lower boundary is like 120. Now class size is here 20. Class size just subtract like any two conjugate, like 160 minus 120 or 180 minus 160. So H is 20. Now substitute all the values in the formula. So mode equals L is 120. See once again L. Modal class you selected by seeing the highest frequency. Highest frequency is 70. So that is a modal class. Now L is 120. F1 is 70. F0 is 60 by 2 times 70 minus 60 minus 40. F2 is 40 and H is 20. 120, 70 minus 60 is 10. 2 times 70 is 140 minus 60 and minus 100. Both are minus, so add and just keep minus and minus 100 into 20. So 120 plus 10 into 20 by 40. 20 times 1, 20 times 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 5. So you got here like 120 plus 5. So it is 125. Mode is 125.